Welcome to our guide to conducting assessments. Today, we'll dive into the process of performing an in-depth review of existing process operations with the goal of utilizing P2 strategies to increase efficiency and make well-informed P2 recommendations. An assessment is an in-depth review of existing operations aimed at finding opportunities for increased efficiency. There are three key parts to an assessment. 1. Establishing the current state. 2. Investigating alternatives. 3. Making recommendations. Let's start with the first part, establishing the current state. This involves several steps. Step 1. Identifying project scope. Review the project scope with your team, understand available resources, and gather background information on processes and personnel. Step 2. Rough understanding of process. Observe the process, talk with employees, use the 5 Why strategy, and document any inefficiencies you notice. Step 3. Gathering data. Collect data such as process conditions, current metering data, operator logs, and personal data collection. Step 4. Calculating annual usage and generation. Generate an environmental baseline by calculating annual usage in terms of BTUs, gallons, or tons. Step 5. Calculating annual costs. Determine the current annual cost by considering raw materials, disposal, energy use, labor, and maintenance. To organize your observations and identify root causes of issues, you can use a cause and effect diagram, also known as a fishbone diagram. This helps categorize potential causes into equipment, people, environment, processes, materials, and management. Next, let's move to investigating alternatives. Step 1. Brainstorming. Reference previously documented inefficiencies, talk with employees for their ideas, and consider past lessons learned. Step 2. Prioritize options. Identify low-hanging fruit, options with the greatest payback, and those that align with company priorities. Use tools like the Impact Difficulty Matrix to rank options. Step 3. Technical feasibility analysis. Develop each idea, consider potential impacts and ripple effects, and check with different departments for input. Step 4. Evaluate impacts. Perform an economic feasibility analysis considering direct and indirect costs, potential savings, and other impacts such as quality, risk, and employee well-being. The final part is making recommendations. Step 1. Confirm calculations and analysis for feasible recommendations. Work with your team to ensure all considerations are taken into account and gather feedback from everyone involved. Step 2. Provide at least 2 options. Present management with multiple feasible options, detailing the pros and cons of each. Recommend the best option based on your analysis. To recap, conducting an assessment involves establishing the current state, investigating alternatives, and making recommendations. Now let's test your knowledge. 1. What are the main steps of conducting an assessment in order? A. Collect data, make recommendations, implement changes. B. Establish a baseline, investigate alternatives, make recommendations. C. Establish a baseline, collect data, make recommendations. D. Investigate alternatives, collect data, make recommendations. 2. What is one method or tool you can use to establish a baseline? A. Venn diagram. B. Impact difficulty matrix. C. Fishbone diagram. D. Euler diagram. 3. What are other impacts that could affect the alternatives you find? A. Quality, risk, employees. B. Risk, profit, employees. C. Quality, production, risk. D. Employees, risk, profit. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies in our upcoming videos.